This is the AI News Flash for May 6th, 8 a.m. UTC. First up, Finnish AI startup QuTwo raised 25 million euros, about $29 million in an angel round, reaching a valuation of 325 million euros, roughly $380 million. Founder Peter Sarlin previously led Silo AI, which AMD acquired for $665 million in 2024. The flagship product, QuTwo OS, is an orchestration layer routing tasks across classical, quantum, and hybrid computing architectures. Investors include Yuri Milner, Xavier Neal, Nico Rosberg, Niklas Zennström, and founders from Hugging Face, Legora, Miro, Skype, Supercell, and Wolt, a who's who of European tech. Roughly $23 million in committed revenue is locked in via design partnerships, including Zalando. With 50 quantum and AI scientists on a 5 to 10-year R&D horizon, QuTwo positions itself as Europe's flagship for the post-frontier quantum AI hybrid era. Next, the U.S. Army 82nd Airborne Division is deploying AI-enabled tactical networks for Project Freedom, the operation to safely escort commercial vessels through the Strait of Hormuz amid Iran tensions. WRAL reported, Air Force General Dan Kane confirmed next-generation AI-enabled tactical networks augment intelligence and operations. 2 commercial ships transited the strait Monday while Iranian missile attacks and U.S. forces destroying Iranian boats have occurred. President Trump paused Project Freedom Tuesday, citing peace progress, though the blockade remains active. Energy costs have surged, and battlefield AI deployment now sits at the core of geopolitical risk. Following the Pentagon's supply chain risk designation against Anthropic, U.S. military AI procurement is diversifying. Frontline AI integration at active combat units marks a notable implementation milestone. Next, Saudi Aramco and IBM announced a strategic collaboration on industrial AI, agentic AI automation, and materials science. The announcement came today, May 6th, at IBM's Think Boston event. IBM CEO Arvind Krishna, Aramco SVP of Digital and IT Sami Al-Ajmi, and IBM Middle East and Africa GM Saad Toma presented. The deal combines IBM's enterprise platforms and consulting with Aramco's industrial operations, data assets, and energy expertise. Mission-critical industrial and energy AI applications are the focus. Al-Ajmi stated the goal is to enhance operational excellence and resilience. The two companies have maintained a relationship since 1947. Now entering a digital transformation phase. As hyperscalers commit $725 billion in 2026 capex, energy and industrial giants are accelerating their own AI deployments. The deal also signals deepening Saudi national AI strategy alignment, a key Middle East AI geopolitics development. Finally, Marvell Technology has confirmed 3 major hyperscaler custom AI silicon programs beyond NVIDIA and Broadcom: Amazon Trainium, Microsoft Maya, and Google Axion. Trainium 2 is in volume production for AWS workloads and Anthropic training clusters, with Trainium 3 slated for 2026. For Maya, Marvell supplies silicon IP and design services for Azure AI and OpenAI inference acceleration. With Axion, it co-designs CPUs and adjacent custom silicon. Per Reuters, Marvell guided FY 2026 AI revenue well above the original $2.5 billion target. Operating margins sit in the high 20s to low 30s, below Broadcom's 60%, but ASIC volume scaling promises operating leverage. Marvell emerges as the prime beneficiary of hyperscaler diversification away from NVIDIA dependence and the custom ASIC insourcing trend, securing its position as a core player in AI semiconductor competition. That's all for this AI News Flash.